Thomas loves this time of year. He loves to watch the trees change colour and lose their leaves.
What's going on over here? How come all the leaves have fallen off those trees?
I don't know, but I love it. Yay! Yay!
Well, yesterday these trees had leaves on them. I doubt they would have lost all their leaves in one day. What's that noise? Rascal Funling, what are you doing?
Uh-oh, it's Thomas! Run away!
I need to find him and stop him from destroying more trees. He's not here. Not here. Ooh, might save that for later. Aha! Found you! Why are you blowing all the leaves off the trees?
Well, it all started a week ago. Now to change this water tower to slime.
Rascal Funling, what are you doing near the water tower?
Nothing.
You've changed the water tower to something. I'm not going to fall for that. I'll go and find another water tower to use.
Oh, I couldn't hide in time, so the prank's been ruined. If the leaves are off the trees, then I can hide in them and escape without being seen. Then everyone will fall for my pranks.
But someone overheard Rascal Funling's plan. Tom Moss loves nature, even more than Thomas, so didn't want to see Rascal Funling destroy all the trees. So he had an idea.
You won't get away with this.
I think you'll find I will, because this is a jetpack, so I can quickly hide and escape into the air.
Well, I'm not the only one who's upset with you destroying trees.
Well, it doesn't matter, because I'm going to jet off. Uh-oh.
You're not going anywhere. And you're also not going to be destroying any more trees.
So Thomas could go back to enjoying the leaves falling off the trees naturally. All thanks to an unlikely friend.
Oh, yeah.